Hi you guys, what's good, what's popping? It's your girl Bhavna back with another exciting video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys all the random essential things that a girl needs to own. So these are my picks. These are not only randoms, but they are actually essential for a girl. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, you guys know what to do. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notifications so you guys will be notified every single time I post a new video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I will be showing you here is the Alan Truman's blow brush. This is the blow dryer brush. That means you can blow dry your hair and also style it with this equipment. So the brand was kind enough to send me this brush, but this video is not at all sponsored. I've already done a video for them. I will link it in my description box. I've actually posted the video on my Instagram, I guess. If you have medium to short hair, if you have hair of my length, then you can definitely pick this up. It's a great product, you guys. After taking a shower, you can blow dry and also style it. It gives you great volume. I think if you have medium to short hair, you are gonna love this equipment. So yeah, do check this one out. It is very easy to use, and also it has these controllers, high, medium and low, so you can choose according to your choice and set the temperature and style your hair in 10 to 15 minutes max. Alright, so the second random thing I think every girl should own is a facial hair remover. I used to remove my facial hair with a facial razor. I didn't know how to use them, so I got a little bit of cuts here and there, but I think this product that I am gonna show you guys is totally worth it. This is the Braun facial hair remover. This is what it looks like. So I've recently got this. It's been 1 month since I got it, and ever since then I can't stop using this. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a cap and you have to remove it, and this is how the equipment looks like. So this is where you get the UV light from. Yeah, that is how it works, and if you can see the light, you can basically see the hair that you are removing, and it's also easy to clean. It's travel friendly. You can carry it along with you in your purse if you are a model, or if you are someone who's always on the go. You can definitely carry this with you. It's hassle free, guys. You don't even have the sensation of it removing your facial hair in the first place. So I think this is absolutely pain free, and you can 100% go ahead and pick this product up. Alright, so the next random thing is of course a sunscreen. Now I cannot stress enough on the importance of application of a sunscreen. I have been using the L'Oreal UV Perfect sunscreen. This is SPF 50+++. Why I absolutely love this sunscreen is that it is water based. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't leave a white cast on your skin, which is great. It gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. It doesn't leave a white cast on your skin at all. If you are looking for a sunscreen which doesn't leave a white cast, which is the main reason we all tend to skip sunscreens, because I used to skip sunscreen for the same reason, that it used to leave a white cast. So if you are looking for a sunscreen, you can do check it out. Alright, so the next random thing is that Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Underarm Roll-On. Now I almost finished this. This is my third or fourth product, I guess. I absolutely love this, man. It smells incredibly amazing. First of all, if you are someone who sweats a lot, we all do. I mean, I sweat a lot, especially in summer. I can't even explain. So you don't wanna have this body odor. I don't think that's good. I mean, it's natural, I know. It's not presentable, you know. If you are talking to someone, if you are out with your friend or your boyfriend or a date, you want to smell like a cupcake. So I think you should maintain yourself. So for that, I would highly recommend you guys to get any underarm roll-on, because it would prevent the smell of your body. Okay, speaking of smelling good, you cannot leave your house without without spritzing some body mist. You know what guys, I always say this, you don't have to smell expensive or you don't have to smell extremely good, but do not smell bad. That's the goal. So my ladies, you guys are queens, so we have to protect ourselves, we have to maintain ourselves. I usually use the Plum body mist, and this is in the flavor of Vanilla Vibes, and so many of my friends actually asked me what body mist I was wearing, and every time it was this one. I'm almost done with this. I think I'm gonna try another flavor or maybe get the same one. So you can also check out the Body Shop body mists. I think they have some really amazing smelling body mists. If you want something affordable, then go for this. Alright, so speaking of Plum products, I would highly recommend you guys to get a body oil. If I wear a dress that is above my knees, then I definitely use a body oil because it not only nourishes and moisturizes your skin, but it makes your skin glow. On top of using body oil, I try to mix this with a liquid illuminator and sort of use it all over my body, so your legs, your hands, everything is shining, you're glistening, and you're just looking like a glazed donut. This is from Plum, and this is the same variant as the Vanilla Vibes. It keeps you hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, at least for more than 7 to 8 hours, I guess. Yeah, this is what I use right after taking a shower. Then comes a toner or a facial mist. So if you are someone who doesn't really like wearing makeup but you just want to hydrate your skin often, if you are someone who works all day and is always sweating, you just need that refreshment, then you need a facial mist. Generally, you don't go wash your face every 2 to 3 hours just for the sake of keeping your face fresh, but that you have to use a facial mist, and this is from the Organic Harvest. This is the Neem and Tulsi toner. It smells so good. I love using this before my morning skincare routine. I feel like my face needs a little bit of refreshment. That is when I use this. Absolutely love it. I think you also have a facial mist from Plum. That's their green tea facial mist. I'm almost done with it. So I would highly recommend you guys to have a toner in your skincare routine. Toners do balance your pH level on the skin. Alright, so next thing is a hair serum. Now let me tell you something that so many girls think that it's okay to just, you know, take a shower, air dry your hair and leave it like that. That means you're not actually giving your hair that moisturization. Shampoo kind of takes away the moisturization. To retain the moisture and hydration back in your hair, you definitely need a serum, not only to nourish your hair but also to detangle your hair, to maintain that lusciousness and to maintain that shine. I think you definitely need a serum, be it any serum that you like. Taking care of your hair, that's the basic, that's the least you can do for your hair. For that, I have been using the L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum, and you can see how much I finished it. That means I absolutely love this. I used to use the Matrix Hair Serum before I switched to this one, but ever since I started using this, oh my god. First of all, this smells incredible. It smells so luxurious. You can go ahead and get it. Do use a hair serum. Next random makeup essential that every girl needs to have in her kit is a compact powder. I know this is very basic, this is very random, and I think so many of y'all actually have it in your kit. Try to invest in 2 compact powders. One will be in your house and one will be in your bag with you forever. If you are someone who loves applying makeup, or if you just like applying a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream, you know that you will be outdoors, or you know that you're going out hanging with your friends, or just in general hanging out with your girlfriends. You don't want to look like an oily mess. I think my skin is extremely oily after 3 to 4 hours of applying makeup, so I always make sure to carry a compact powder in my bag. What it does is that you can just take the sponge that it comes with and you can try to dab off any oil or any excess oil secretion that you might have. I think this is such an essential in your kit, because if you are meeting someone special, or just you know that you are gonna click pictures, you don't want to look oily, always always try to maintain yourself. You know what I'm saying, girl? You are a queen, so you gotta take care of yourself. Okay, the next essential makeup thing is a lip and cheek tint. This is from the Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. This is in the shade 05 Soft Nude. This is what it looks like. Now this is a nude shade, so you can obviously use it on your lips and on your cheeks, on the go. So I am showing you guys all these products which are useful on the go. Throw these in your purse and get ready on the go. Like if you need a quick fix, I think you should definitely have a lip and cheek tint because it's multi-purpose. You can also use it on your eyelids, and I would highly recommend you guys to check out these Just Herbs lip and cheek tints. They are actually really good. I got mine from Amazon, and I think I have another shade called Rose Love. That is like a nice rosy pink tone shade. Alright, so the next makeup essential is a neutral eyeshadow palette. Here is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Now you want to have neutral or warm undertones in it, like everyday sort of a palette. You know, these are the shades that you can possibly wear every single day. This is what I'm wearing on my lids right now. So this is very inexpensive, and it's also tiny, travel friendly, so you can do your makeup on the go. And it also has these dark shades and all the warm toned shades. Just have a warm toned neutral eyeshadow palette in your collections. It's an essential, it's a staple. Like every girl should have a neutral eyeshadow palette. Last but not the least comes lashes. Now if you guys don't know, I'm actually wearing lashes. I know you can't tell because I cut these lashes. I'm wearing one of these lashes. I think every girl should have falsies in general. I would highly recommend you guys to get these ones from Amazon. This is just for like 200 bucks. If you are someone who's just starting off applying lashes, if you don't know how to apply lashes, you can definitely start off with these ones rather than investing in those Huda Beauty or PAC lashes. Even if you ruin these lashes, it's just for 200 rupees. You get like 5 pair of lashes. These are the essentials that every girl needs to have, in my opinion. Let me know what are your essentials. I would definitely love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.